Hey guys, it's been a while. I'm back. I'm excited. So excuse me, but I'm on mommy time. I've also already started mommy time officially with mixed sangria. But I found like my official kind of holy grail. Not as a routine, but just as an additive. But I'm gonna try some of the other stuff too. But this Hello Beautiful Earth Elements Oil Cleanser is my newfound holy grail to add to any skincare routine that you already have. So number one, once I figured out how natural oils can benefit my skin, I watched a YouTuber, I forget her name, but she mixed up something and she used it on her face a couple times a week. So of course I went to Amazon, I got everything I needed, and I started mixing up the coconut oil, the rosehip oil, the tea tree oil, putting it in a bottle and kind of mixing it up myself. And I used it as an additive too. Then I ran across the Hello Beautiful collection and saw that they had a natural, all natural oil earth cleanser. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this. Well, I was pleasantly surprised because I didn't do my research before, but everything on the back of this bottle, and it's gonna be really hard to see, but I think the website has the ingredients. I know Tundra does because they sell wholesale, but CBD oil right now, as far as even in the beauty industry, I can't get it to show, is making progress and it's doing great things with skin. But this has cannabis sativa seed oil. This has almond oil. This has apricot oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil. Everything in here is absolutely all natural. There are no words on here that I can't pronounce, and everything has the word oil behind it, all mixed up in this small bottle. So my issue was I was using oil cleanser and mixing a big bottle, and I was using a lot of it. So when I bought this for the price that it was, I was trying to figure out a way to stretch it and get the best use, because it's also good for just putting on a cotton ball and taking off your makeup. But I have a much bigger bottle to do that with of Mary Kay makeup remover. But I wanted to show you what I've been doing with this that has made the best difference. Now, mind you, I'm breaking out a little in my forehead. I think that's because of hormones and me doubling up birth control pills and forgetting. But I still love Acure. If you've watched some other videos, this is by far the second best scrub that I've tried. The other one is from Neiman Marcus, and I don't remember the name because I can't afford it. And then I got some Sand and Sky on a promotional discount. So I also have the mask, which is good. It's drying out pretty fast, but both of these are good for exfoliating. This is still best over this to me, but because I'm going to take a bath and open up my pores, I want to exfoliate my skin, but I also want to absolutely totally infuse it with these oils. So what I'm going to do for you guys is actually do both. I'm going to split it down my face, put one on each half, and then I leave them on for about 15 minutes or pretty much my entire bath, just to let it sink in. And I'm telling you guys, you can add this oil I've added it to my Mary Kay cleanser, which is right here, because I love it. I've added it to anything that I do on my face. I put it on under a citrus scrub. I put it on under a mask, an almond scrub mask. So it's really awesome, and you only need a little bit. So yes, the bottle is small, but I mean, $23. So far I've had it a month and it's nowhere near empty. I can still see it's at the top. So guys, for Acure, I literally only use a dab. My face is already clean. I had on some makeup today, so I've already washed it, which I'm going to wash it anyway before I exfoliate. So I just use less than a dime size amount. I'm going to put 2 pumps of oil on top of my scrub and mix it together in my hand. You can kind of see the oil. It's enough. And then I just start to massage it on my face. If you could leave it a little damp, it helps. But because I am going to take a bath and open up my pores, sometimes I start to sweat, and so I don't want it to get too wet. Sorry about the camera, guys. So I'm going to do this half of my face. I'm already stretching into the other half. I'm so used to it. But I'm telling you, the oil added to, I'm talking about whatever your favorite product is, there's no way that putting this oil in it can go bad, because there is nothing, nothing man-made in this oil at all that could possibly have a negative impact with what you're putting on your face. And then for the right side, I'm going to do the same thing. Sand and Sky comes out a little bit thicker, so I use just a little bit more because it's harder to spread. This one is definitely one that if you're, you know, if you're not taking a bath, you might want to do this maybe before you get in the shower. Oh crap, that's the wrong one. I wasn't even supposed to show you guys that. Sorry, that's for the end of the video. Stay tuned. There's a giveaway with a little bit of instructions at the end. This one makes this spread a lot better than it would if you didn't have it. And this one is definitely a lot more opaque than the Acure, but the one thing I like about Acure is it's not all natural, but it's damn near all natural. And for both of these, leaving it on is almost like a mask. There's something I'm waiting to come in the mail now, which is a mix of some therapeutic leaves that you put in as a facial steam. So getting a pot of boiling water, putting a teaspoon of these leaves in it and putting a towel over my head and just letting it absorb. So I'm gonna definitely do that when it comes and show you. And I'm probably gonna just use the oil and let the therapy of the leaves and the steam like soak that in. I'm so ready to get that, so I will definitely show you. But again, guys, this is by Hello Beautiful Earth Elements Oil Cleanser. It's only $23 and that's on sale. And if you get 2 items, it's 10% off. So let's get to the thing that I opened. I wasn't supposed to. I didn't open. I took the damn top off. So I bought a Pro Repair Serum, which is really made for fine lines and wrinkles, which I already have something for that, but I didn't open it. I was gonna return it actually, but then I was like, no, I will do a giveaway. But it actually is great for moisturizing. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and the best part is it doubles as a primer. So a couple dabs of this on your primer brush or add it to your primer is going to extend how long your primer lasts and how much moisture goes to your skin. So you can be repairing fine lines and wrinkles, even for us younger ladies, under your makeup all day. But, so 2 instructions. You've got to like and subscribe or already be subscribed to my somewhat channel. And you have to send an email to me telling me what you do or don't like about my videos. So even if you hate my videos, you hate what I talk about, I talk too much, I talk about nothing. If you send me an email to Miss Kia J Inc., MISSKIAJINC@gmail.com, telling me what you hate or love about my channel or this video or whatever, just shoot me an email. And I also see that you have liked and subscribed to the channel. I'm going to send you this. Now, the last time I did a giveaway, I had a young lady in Africa respond. And so let me say this, guys. The giveaway is free, but if you are not in the U.S. or the U.S. territories, it costs me $35.65 to send something priority mail international that's going to get there in 8 to 10 days. So if you're out of the country, you can still get this, but you will have to PayPal me the shipping because I cannot afford to send you something free and pay $40 just because you like my channel. So I definitely don't mind doing that, but you know, I'll back it with PayPal assurance or whatever and send it to you if you're out of the country, because I've had people in Nigeria, big ups Nigeria, a lot of comments coming in there, and even from India. So I want you guys to still be able to get it. The shipping is $35 though. So hellobeautiful-thebox.com is the website. I'll put the website down below. There's a line of products and this one is the best. So I'm going to go to my bath. I'll come back and wash this off and we'll just take a look. I mean, you guys can't feel the texture of my skin, but that oil, I'm telling you, it's got to be the weed oil. It's got to be the cannabis. Like, I don't care whatever oil is in here. That weed oil is what is clearing my face up. So I'll see you when I wash this off. Ooh, guys, I just low-key, for real, had to get out the bath because I was melting. And it's the Sand and Sky that's melting. It was coming in my eyes. I was like, oh my God, I gotta get out the bathtub and wash this off my face before it runs together and y'all can't tell what's what. So I'm gonna just rinse it off with kind of cool, lukewarm water. I don't want it to be too hot because my pores are super open right now. So let's rinse it off and see what we got. Oh, awesome. Okay. I got it off. I always feel refreshed after exfoliation. Like, I don't know, it's something about a scrub once a week. And I used to do it twice a week. I only have time to do it on Fridays during mommy time, but it just feels so good. Like, I don't know, it makes my skin feel lighter, brighter. Sand and Sky is advertising like for closing pores. It does okay if you compare the two. I just have really large pores, guys. I'm probably in need of a professional like chemical peel, a few of them, as my esthetician has told me, to get clear. But I mean, they both really feel good. And the best part is when you use the mask by yourself, especially the Sand and Sky exfoliator, it kind of makes your skin feel tight and dry, and I think that's where the, smaller pores comes from, because it tightens it up. But this just makes it so much like, how you had that cracking feeling? The oil it makes it so soft. It makes it feel kind of damp and dewy, so to speak, and just really soft. So one thing I can say about oil cleanser, whether you get it from Hello Beautiful or not, the texture change in your skin is almost immediate, especially if you start adding it to your routine every day. But guys, that was it. I love oil cleansers. Like I said, whether you mix it up or you get it at hellobeautiful-thebox.com, get some oil cleanser and add it to whatever you're already doing, because it is going to totally change your life and change your skin. But everybody, all natural is the way to go. I'm trying not to put anything on my face that I don't trust. So I want you guys to do the same. Take care of your skin. Also take care of yourself. Find some time to get you some mommy time in and just pamper yourself. I love you guys. Don't forget about the contest. Like, subscribe, email misskiajinc@gmail.com to get the Pro Serum Wrinkle Fine Line Reducer as well as primer. I will send it to you gladly. I'm going to close that contest out on May 30th. Today is the 9th. So that gives us about 3 weeks for you to watch, like, subscribe, and send me the email. And so hopefully we'll chat, and I'll have some new products and new videos coming soon, I promise. Bye, guys.